So now beta one by one, based on the theorem, I am going to give you questions. Get ready for it. First question, right? Nicely solve this question. Question is, in the given figure, write down. Can I practice this type question nicely? In the given figure, a line intersects two concentric circles. With center O. Okay? At A, B, C and D. Prove that AB is equal to CD. Now what you need to prove? You need to prove that AB is equal to CD. Come on, start solving the question, beta. So here, the first part of the question says that two concentric circles are there. Now beta, this is the second phase, and in this second phase, what you need to do is, you need to draw and solve. So start trying and drawing and solving. Okay? Solve it. This is two concentric circles. This and a line is going to cross. Arun, sound is okay? Then after that they're telling prove that AB is equal to CD. AB is equal to CD, you have to prove. Start it. A concentric circle with center O is given. What is circle? Concentric circle. I want to check you are able to solve or not. So both of you try to solve. Come near me, not that much far. Kanish? That will come, I know. So you need to be just silent. That's it. I'll speak less. That's it. first part, what you have observed here. Start typing, Arusha, what you have observed here. In given section, what you are going to write. What is given in the question that you are going to write as given section. Understood or not? So what is given in the question? What is given? Concentric circle having center O is given. Understood? So concentric circle having center O is given. Next part. Passing the circles at what point it is exactly touching? What point it is touching? A, B, C, D. Understood? Circle, center, these are exactly the touching points. Got it? So here, passing through the circles at point A, B, C, and D. After that, next point, what we are telling? We have to prove that A, B is equal to C. Now, Kanish, what is the statement? How we are going to write it? AB is equal to CD. How we can prove that AB is equal to CD? Deva, good evening, Deva. Shall we start our work? Now onwards, whenever you are solving, see, listen carefully. I am telling you, listen carefully. Then A. First word, what you are going to write. Now listen, first word, what we are going to do, we will write a very important point there, that is, from the center of the circle to the chord, the line drawn is perpendicular to the chord and bisects the chord. The line drawn is perpendicular to the chord and bisects the chord. I hope you might have understood. Come on, after giving this information, try to solve. To prove that AB is equal to CD. Yes. After that, beta, what we are going to write? Now listen. Please listen that carefully. What word you have to do here? Listen carefully. You say that in proof section, for concentric circles, for concentric circles, having center C, correct? Since we know that Understood. So line drawn from center of the circle to the chord bisects the chord. Okay. So now beta, what we are going to do? We will see that line drawn from the center of the circle to the chord bisects the chord and is perpendicular to the chord. So beta, we are going to draw a line. Come on, you keep 2-3 pencils. Now here after for the examination revision, not 2-3 colors you put. Understood? For circle, quadrilateral, lines and angles and triangles, whenever you are coming for practice now, bring 2-3 colors. Let's see how I am drawing. This is the line drawn from the center of the circle to the chord. Is it perpendicular to the chord? And how it is? It is going to bisect the chord into 2 equal half. And then here what we are going to write it as the M. Now it is very clear. Yes. Yeah, concentric circles. Concentric circles means different circles having same center is called as concentric circle. Understood? Different circle. So for chord, one by one we will write it up. Chord BC. For chord BC, what we are going to write? Say it. For chord BC, what you are going to write? Tanisha, for chord BC, what we are going to write? Bottom. So now look at for chord BC, what we are going to write here? We will write BM is equal to MC. Because of this statement only, understood? So we will write this will become equation 1. And for chord, which chord better? AD. For chord AD, what you are going to write it? AM is equal to MD. Now we will write subtracting. We will subtract now. Just check. See, this AM and here it is B. So from AM, if we will subtract this much, what will be left? AB. Correct? So we write subtracting equation 1 and equation 2. So what will be found here? AM minus BN is equal to MB minus BC. MB minus BN MC. So MC minus MC. So what will be found here? AB is equal to CD. Done now. Very simple part we have done. Note down this beta. Do it. We will solve next question. Gautam, what happened to you from which school? Very good. Get ready for next question, children. This was first NCERT question we needed to solve. Next question. This question you listen very carefully and solve it. Okay? Get ready. Question is, I don't know you will be able to solve this question or not, but this is a very important question for this part. The question is, if the non-parallel side of a trapezium are equal, if the non-parallel side of a trapezium are equal, if the non-parallel side of a trapezium are equal, then prove that it is cyclic. Understood, beta? This is the second question, and this is most important, right? 95% important. Note down, write down first 95% important question. This much, this question is important. Write down 95% important question. Start drawing it. Shall I solve? Why? What happened? Hmm? Can I start solving? Can I start solving? Fine, I am only going to solve. Just check this one out. See, check this one out. I am only going to solve. Now, beta, how we are going to proceed in this question? I am going to draw and I am going to solve, because I know you people have not talked till now. What is the meaning of this? That completed. Small little. What we will do? We will first draw a circle. In very short, I am going to do it. So please kindly note down what and all things are there. I'll explain. First one is draw line here. Shyam, very nicely both of you first analyze this one. This is exactly going to be what, if I'm going to take from here. This is drawn. Now, but we need to draw this dotted lines, perpendicular lines. These are not perpendicular lines, so perpendicular dotted lines. Okay. This first start doing this one below. After that, write down A, E, D, B, C, F. Understood, better? Now, what is given to you? The given section is ABCD is a trapezium. Given. Finished. Now, all the technical parts are there. No? You write nicely. What is the part here is ABCD is a trapezium. ABCD is a trapezium. What is ABCD? Is a trapezium with AB parallel to CD. AB parallel to CD. Understood? And AD is equal to BC. Got it? AB parallel to CD and AD is equal to BC. This part done. Now what we need to prove? To prove that cyclic coordinate. ABCD is cyclic coordinate. Understood? In short, what we can say beta? Cyclic. ABCD is cyclic. Understood? Trapezium. Cyclic trapezium or cyclic coordinator. ABCD is cyclic coordinator. This is what we are supposed to prove. Got it? After that beta construction we have done. What we have done construction? We have drawn two perpendiculars. What are the two perpendiculars? Can you tell me what are the two perpendiculars beta? DE and CF. Understood? So DE and CF are the two perpendiculars. So by construction we have drawn. What we have done? By construction. So remember this one. This is by construction we have drawn. So we will write drawing DE parallel to AB construction. Drawing DE parallel to AB and BE parallel to AB and CF parallel to AB. DE perpendicular. We have drawn perpendicular to AB. DE parallel I said perpendicular. DE perpendicular to AB and CF perpendicular to AB. That is, they both are coming parallel. In my mind, it was they both are parallel, but they are perpendicular to the surface. Understood? Now we are going to take these two right triangles. What are they, beta? Right triangles. So now we are going to write taking the right triangles. Taking the right triangles. What are the right triangles, beta? First triangle is AED and BFC. Taking right triangle, triangle AED and triangle BFC. Triangle AED and triangle BFC. Now, beta, we need to solve it. So, first thing is that they told that two sides are equal. So, which two sides we have taken equal, beta? Can you tell? This side is equal to this side. So, our first thing is that it is already given that this side is equal to this side. So, you write AD is equal to BC. Given, they told now in the statement itself, they told that it is cyclic if two non-parallel sides are equal. Non-parallel sides. These are non-parallel sides. And these two non-parallel sides are what? Equal. So here AD is equal to BC. This is here. Second section by construction, what we have taken this as 90 degree. This is also as 90 degree. So we will say angle AED is equal to angle BFC is equal to how many degree? 90 degree by construction degree. Now, beta, only one thing is left. That is, we have drawn these two equal beta. DE is equal to CF. That's what I told now. Distance between two parallel lines will be always same. So this is parallel to this we have drawn. Na? In construction, we have taken that. So these two lines always perpendicular lines are parallel. Perpendicular lines on the same base will always be parallel. So if two perpendicular walls will be standing like this, so they will be parallel to each other. Understood? So we will write this. We will write this statement because how they will come to know how they are parallel. Correct? Na? So we will say this that DE is equal to CL. How? Since two perpendicular lines having same base is parallel to each other. Understood, son? So, Kanishk understood, na beta? So, they will be what? Perpendicular to each other. After this, what we got? We got both the triangles. So, the right hypotenuse and side. By right hypotenuse side, we can say therefore triangle AED will be congruent to triangle BFC. By what beta? Right hypotenuse side. Understood. So once we have made they are congruent, after this what we are going to prove beta? Because cyclic means we need to prove that BCD, this angle should be equal to that opposite angle. That's most important. Understood? Not? So we will say here now after proving this, we can say that angle A is equal to angle B. By CBCD we can say angle A is equal to angle B. By which criteria? By CPCD. Also angle ADE, this angle. Upside angle also will become equal. Now this angle will become equal to this angle. Correct? Na? Because now these two triangles are there. Now one triangle this one, another triangle this one. Both are congruent. So that means this angle will be equal to this angle and this angle will be equal to this angle by CPCT. By what it is? CPCT. So we will say angle ADE is equal to angle, next part right, angle ABE is equal to angle BCF. Again this is by what beta? CPCT. Note down please. Can I solve it? Remaining part I am dating. Can I? See what I am waiting. This is the just one part. This is not the finishing part. Till now we just did one work only. I am waiting when you people will write after that because these are very short questions. Till now we understood now. We made these two triangles congruent. After that beta, we will do one work. Okay, listen very carefully. After that one work we are doing. That work is listen very carefully. This is the second part of the question. We have to prove it concisely. First we prove these two triangles are congruent. Now we have to bring concyclic part. For concyclic section, what we will do, listen very carefully. Okay. We will write first this one. Listen. Ganesh, both of you, Arinisha, Tanisha, listen very nicely. After that we decide. I will say that in triangle BCF, what I can write? Just take this one. This I am taking as equation 1. This I am taking as equation 2. So in triangle BCF, how I am going to write it? I will say that angle in triangle BCF, I will say angle BCF plus angle BFC plus these two angles is coming up plus angle. So this angle will be sum of two interior opposite angles. Correct or not? BCF angle can be written as this angle plus this angle 90 degree. Note down please. First note down. That is angle BCD. BCD part is there, but first I am starting from BCD. So that means angle BCF plus BFC plus this part I am writing, but rather than writing, I am writing full angle. Angle BCD. That is total angle BCD. Understood? So if I am writing angle BCD, can I write angle BCD as angle BCF plus angle, but if this is 90, then this one also will become 90 only, because standing straight now, so this part also 90, downside also 90. So this part will become angle BCF plus 90 degree. Plus 90 degree. So look here. See here, this section is there now. So if this total angle BCD, correct? So can I write angle BCD as BCF plus 90, correct? So this is what I wrote. BCF plus 90. Now because BCF is what? Just now we proved. BCF is ADE. BCF is what? ADE. So here instead of BCF, BCD is equal to angle ADE plus 90 degree. And beta ADE plus 90 degree is ADC. That means angle BCD is equal to angle ADC. That is this total angle is now equal to this angle. Understood? And beta already we know that angle A is equal to angle B. Angle A is equal to angle B. Just now we proved now. This we can also take angle A is equal to, this is equation 1. And now we have proved this is equation 2. Okay? Angle C is equal to angle D. We can say this angle C is equal to angle D. Correct now? Now beta angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D for any quadrilateral. Sum of all the angles is coming as 60 degree. Understood? By angle sum property. Angle sum property of quadrilateral. Angle sum property of quadrilateral. Now beta angle A is equal to angle B. So instead of angle B, can I write 2 times of angle A? This one we will write it as equation 2. Now beta angle C can be written as 2 times of angle C is equal to 360. Using equation 1 and 3. What conclusion we can say? Angle A plus angle C is equal to 180. Concisely, that's it. Opposite angle sum coming as 180 degree. This was our content. See, after making these two congruent, remember this is NCRT question, last question. This is NCRT last question, and I have made it. Understood. So I have exactly written everything. So now listen better. So angle ACB, this section and this section. Got it, Navita? So we have written all that part, and after writing all the sections, what work we have done? We said that this opposite angle in a quadrilateral, opposite angle sum is coming as how much, Peter? 90 degree. Idiot, 180 degree. Then only it will be considered as cyclic. Understood? If a quadrilateral is inside circle and sum of opposite angle is coming as 180 degree, it will be considered as what? Cyclic. And this is what we have done. This is what we have done. I hope you might have understood this one. Come on, say quickly. Did you understood this? So this is exactly we have to do, and we have done that part, correct now. So this is coming as concyclic. Yes, understood? See, two turning points were there. First turning point was proving congruency. After proving congruency, what is the second section we have done? In second section, we have taken. In second section, we have taken this one. In that, we told that okay, line is there. So line is coming 90 degree, 90 plus that angle is coming. So just that side we made it equal. Correct now? The logic you understood or not? In that part only this terminal sections were there. That we did only this work. That this part is there. This section total we try to prove equal to the set. Understood? Our main strategy was to make these two equal, and once these two sections got equal, it was easy to prove. I hope you might have understood. Shall we go for next question? Yeah? These are the two important questions we have solved from circle chapter. So we are going to draw one more question. From circle chapter, some questions we will draw, but one question I am giving you, try to solve this question. I told today surface area and volume and circle both chapters we are going to combine. Okay, and I am going to give it. Okay, so get ready for it, please. Question is, look at it. Now look at it. Question is, a right triangle ABC, a right triangle is there, a right triangle ABC. So ABC is a right triangle with sides ABC is a right triangle with sides, write down, sides are beta 5 centimeter, 12 centimeter and 13 centimeter. So this is exactly given to you, is revolved around the side 12. I said is revolved around revolved around the side 12. Okay. Find the volume of the solid. Last time we rotated with 12. This time it is revolving around 12. Hey, everything is in the statement. They're telling that it is revolved about the side. It is revolved about the side 12. ID. You can take it. It is revolved about the side 12. Hey, this is exactly the height, and this is if last time what we did from 12 we rotated like this. Understood now? From 12 last question we have rotated like this. That was your mistake, not mine. So first you need to understand that it revolved around the side. But here just first understand this one. Look at that telling revolve around the side 12. Around the side 12 centimeter. Hundred is 100 a complete answer? Quadratic equation. How possible quadratic equation? Quadratic equation is not possible here. Hmm? 105. Now you are correct. I was waiting for this. No. Now look here. Volume will be equal to what matter? 1 by 3 pi r square h. So r square 1 by 3 is 5 into 5 into 5 into h is coming as 4. So this one is 4. So 5 will be 105 cubic centimeter. And if you will leave that part, how are you done? Wrong is wrong. Wrong cannot be right. Yes. Yeah. Now, beta, next question write down. Are you ready? Solve it. Yes. What you are knowing, I should give that. Cheating. Come on, right? Start solving. Cheating. They are doing cheating. A height of a cone is 15 centimeter. Okay, betas, a height of a cone. A height of a cone is 15 centimeters. So this is the biggest test. How fast you both are answering, because offline to a volume given is, see, among Kanishk and Sam, among Tanisha and these two, who is solving first and giving me, that will say. Volume is given as 1570 cubic centimeters without cheating. Understood? Find the diameter. Diameter equal to what? Pi is equal to 3.14. And time starts now. Diameter is equal to? How much will diameter? Diameter how much? Diameter how much? Diameter is only going to be found. Why are we doing diameter? M square is equal to R square. M square is equal to R square plus S square. R square is equal to S square. Oh, auntie, after other little slide $20. Wow. Very good. Hi. Who is going to give me the answer? First person given is Tanisha. Tanisha is smiling, all smiling. Ask for the diameter. Okay, both of them have given the answer. Let's see. Right now, volume is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square. Volume is 1570. This is much easier. This into r is what we don't know. So we will take r square. Height is given as 15. So 1570 into 3 by 15 equal to r square. So here it is coming as 3 5s are 15. 5 will cancel this one. 5 3s are 15. 5 1s are 5. 5 4s are 20. Into 5. I ate, you know what? I ate 5. Here 5 is useful. 5 is there. So now here, what I am going to say, 5 r square is equal to 314. So r square is equal to 314 by 3.14. This will cancel, 100 will go up. This r square is equal to 100. Into r is equal to 10. Diameter is equal to 2 into 10, 20 centimeters. Diameter is coming as 2 into 10, 20 centimeters. I hope you might have understood. Next question. This question I will not at all help you. This is putty question, and this putty question you people only is going to solve. Yes. No cheating. Don't you like it? Now look here. The most important thing here is we need to solve this question with much comfortable part. Okay. Now look here. Question is no cheating. Hi Himanshu, you are still there. I thought you were. Now look better. A hemispherical tank is made up of iron sheet. Okay, this question already I gave you. You people solved this. This is cheating question. I will ask you another question. Yes, I'll ask another question. This is cheating question. कहाँ था रे? मुझे लगा पंछी उड़ गया. Okay, this is a question, MCQ question I'm giving you. Get ready. Hey, MCQ question. The height of cone, come on, do it fast. The height of cone with radius 10 centimeter, and slant height is equal to 26 centimeter. What is the height of the cone? Your options are. And the height of the cone will be what? 26 centimeter. 2.6. 2.6 the option is here. 16. अब ये सही बोला तो मार खाने वाला काम किया है. I am not like that. Equation. What is this one? 200. 24. Ah, super, super, super. 20. Let's see, we know that slant height is equal to height square plus r square. So slant height square minus h square equal to r square. So L is what? L is given as 26. 26 square minus height of cone is 10 centimeter. Slant height is 26 given. So now what we have to find here? We have to find the height. Radius given 10. IU. So here you see 26 minus 10 and 26 plus 10 equal to h square. 26 plus 10 is 36. 26 minus 10 is 16 is equal to h square. Take root. Then height is equal to 4 into 6. So 24 centimeters. But as I remember, someone told that can we? Shall we solve? Yes, next question. Shall we start with that? Solve the next question, beta. Okay, we are going to keep it till here because one problem came. I need to discuss with the manager. Okay. Next class we are going to do tomorrow. We are going to start sound chapter. Okay. Hmm? No, last chapter of chemistry.